What's up friends, are here, and this is tutorial about how to install kali-win-kex on WSL with GUI, because normally WSL doesn't have GUI, but we're gonna enable it. And yeah, basically you want to do this like you search it kali, you type it here, and you paste this command, or you type it in kex -win-s, and your kali is starting. There you go, that's how fast it is. So basically in a few seconds you can start up kali, and it's actually great. Watch the tutorials. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. You're gonna go first to install WSL, and you're gonna click on the official Microsoft link. You copy this WSL --install, and you're gonna open Powershell as administrator. Here you're gonna paste it and you're gonna enter it. It's gonna install WSL right now. Alright, so once it's done installing, you have to reboot your system, and I'll be right back. So if you restart your system, it's gonna show you that it's installing and might take a few minutes, but for me it's already done, and it asks me to input a new Unix username, which I will. It's just gonna be this, then a password, another password, and then right now I'm inside of Ubuntu. Okay, what you want to do from here is so you can close Ubuntu, you can go to the Microsoft Store, and from here you're gonna install kali-win-kex. Once this is done installing, you can open it, and once again it's gonna say it's installing. Again, it asks for a username, a password, and retype the password. Now right here you have kali working. Okay, and then from here you want to go back to Google again, and you want to go get kali-win-kex. You're gonna click on get kali, you're gonna click on WSL, you're gonna show the documentation, click on win-kex, and basically yeah, this makes the GUI happen in inside of the kali. Installation. Okay, so you're gonna type sudo apt update. Alright, and then okay, so once it's done, it's gonna ask you for the language. I'm gonna just put English. Alright, so once this is done, you want to do the command to start it up. Run win-kex. Okay, and this command will start win-kex in a window mode with sound support on. So copy this one, paste it, type your password. We would not like to do this, so put no, and there you go, you start up kali. That's basically the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope there is not many errors. If there is so, place them in the comments, and we will try and make a video about that or answer them. See you guys.